Good morning to everyone. My name is Vayu Gautami. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is discharge of contract. So what is the meaning of discharge? The word discharge means leave it, remove it, end it, life was closed. So these are the familiar words for the discharge. So what is the meaning of discharge of contract? So when the contract are maybe not happened to go throughly successfully, those contracts are called discharge of contract. It is simply the cancellation of contracts are called discharge of contract. So what are the performance may be failure, maybe involvement of minor, maybe have any illegal appearance or occurs, at the time the contracts are maybe failure. The contracts when the failure is known as discharge of contract. The contract when they may be end position, it is called a discharge of contract. So what are the possibilities for the situations the contracts are failure? The first situation is discharge by an agreement. So discharge by an agreement. So every contract form is agreement plus law is equal to contract. When the agreement is failure, automatically contract was also failure. So that's why when the agreement may be any alternation or innovation or rescission and remission, at the time the contract may be cancelled because of the due to reason lacking of agreement, failure of agreement. The failure of agreement is the main reason to cancellation of contract. The cancellation of contract is known as simply discharge of contract. So what are the agreement cancelled situations? The first situation is novation. The novation means innovation. It means like new. For example, A and B. So both are entered into a contract in the year of 2001. They may be equally sharing of profits and losses. And the next year like 2002, maybe have any disputes occurs A and B. So at the time the B want to remove their partnership. So A wants to join another member like a C. So present they may be followed a new agreement A and C. So when the old agreement was cancelled, in that place may be entered in new agreement. So by the reason of new agreement, the old agreement was cancelled. The old agreement place existed in new contract. So this is the first situation to failure of agreement. And the second situation is alternation. Alternation means changes or modification. Changes or modifications. So when the agreement are formed, the agreement may be any changes are occurred. So due to the changes, main reason the old agreement was cancelled. So it is replaced by new agreement. Means, so what are the changing of rules and regulations? They are again entered in, they formed a new agreement. So that is the maybe happened some changes to the old agreement. And the third one is rescission. The rescission means cancellation. Cancellation. By the mutual acceptance of both the parties like offerer and offeree, there may be mutual consideration they want to break their agreement. So that is the by agreement of rescission. And the last point is by agreement of remission. The remission means like it is maybe reduce the value of original amount. For example, A and B, both the parties are formed contract in 1000 rupees, but the situation is B is not ready to pay the 1000 rupees. A also accepted to you can pay 900 rupees. So at the time the 100 rupees was maybe reduced. So it is a tier. So lapse of tier position, the amount of may be reduced. So at the time the 1000 agreement was cancelled, that may be accepted like 900 agreement. So that is a remission of contract. So these are the four situations by the failure of agreement. So when there are formation of a agreement, the agreement without consideration, it is a void contract. So when the agreement is perfectly followed, at the time the contracts are maybe successful contract. When the agreement is breach means failure, automatically contract was failed. The failure of contract is known as discharge of contract. So this is the first situation. And the second one is discharge by performance. So what is the meaning of performance? The performance means the actual participation of two parties to the contract. So who are the parties are entered into a contract like offerer and offeree? They both have the mutual consent to the mutual performance. So when they are both performed, at the time only the contract are successfully going on. If maybe the offerer was participated actively and offeree was not participated actively, at that time by the lacking of performance the contract was cancelled. So cancelled means discharge of contract. And the third one is discharge by lapse of time. Discharge by lapse of time. The lapse of time means collapse of time. For example, in the contract maybe have 3 years of time. They maybe want to 5 years of time. So when the 3 years is completed, automatically lapse of time, the contract was cancelled. Because of the reason, the contract was happened to take the time is 5 years. So when the lapse of time is the ending of time, we don't have any time to reach the target. That's why the contracts are maybe cancelled. So that is a lapse of time. And the next one is by operation of law. So operation of law means the law may be not supported to perform the contract. Example, they may be involved in minor. It is also a discharge contract. The person may be death. It is also cancelled or discharge of contract. The person may be insolvent person. That contracts are also may be cancelled. The contracts are maybe companies are merged. Merged means the two companies are merged like a one company. So at the time also contracts are cancelled. So these are the situations to the by operation of law. The contracts are maybe cancelled like discharged. And the next one is by material alternation. By material alternation. The alternation sense changes. So when the person is ordered one material, the product may be deferred come like alternation product coming. So at the time by the reason of material changing, the contract was cancelled. So that is a material alternation. So when the original material place existed to another material, at the time the original material was cancelled, it was existed to new material. Because of the reason the contract may be discharged. And the last one is discharge by breach. Discharge by breach. The breach sends failures. The failures of conditions, terms, rules and regulations, registration documents or any legal formalities due to the expectation of wrong result, the contracts are may be cancelled. So these are the possibility of situations contracts are disposed or contracts are ended. So these are known as discharge of contract. So these are the main situations to the discharge cancellation transactions. The first one is discharge by agreement, second one is discharge by performance, third one is discharge by lapse of time, fourth one is discharge by operation of law, fifth one is discharge by material alteration, and last one is the discharge by breach. So if you want, we can take another point like discharge by possibility of performance. Possibility of performance. So who are the parties are entered into a contract? The parties both are have the possibility to perform, that is a valid contract. So when the possibility may be impossible action, at the time the contracts are may be cancelled due to the reason of the action is very impossible. By the impossible of actions, the contracts are may be discharged. So this is the concept of discharge of contract. Very important for 10 marks question. Thank you students.